Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to create a happy cloud and sun using the colored pencils. First, let's draw our cloud. You can make it as big or as small as you like this. Very good. Now we draw the sun. Very good. Add two big shiny eyes and a happy smile like this. Now it's time to color. Use sky blue color for the cloud like this. Try to stay inside the lines. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Like this. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Very good. Color in one direction to make it neat. Like this. Very good. You did it very well. Remember to try and stay inside the lines. It's okay if you go out a little bit. Just try your best. Like this. Color it all in. No white spots left. Like this. Very good. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Then we use black color for the eyes. Very good. Use yellow color for the sun. Like this. Very good. Add some happy sun rays. Like this. Then we use black marker to make it stand out. Like this. Very good. And there you have it. Your cloud is ready. Allah Hafiz.